Hello students, in this video we are going to solve some exercise for chapter number 6. The chapter name is Helper to All. Class 5, subject EVS, GCERT. In the previous video of this chapter, we had seen about different professions and how these professions or professionals are useful to us and society, and what are the different tools used by these professionals. Now let me start with the hard words. So hard words for these chapters are given to you here. In that first one is helper. Helper. Next is police officer. Police officer. Next soldier. Soldier. Next fourth number children. Children. Number 5 farmer. Farmer. Number 6 doctor. Doctor. Seventh number professions. Professions. Number 8 professional. Professional. Ninth number teacher. Teacher. Number 10 conductor. Conductor. Next is 11th number nurse. Nurse. Number 12 blacksmith. Blacksmith. 13th number mason. Mason. Next 14th number driver. Driver. Next number 15 porter. Porter. Number 16 goldsmith. Goldsmith. Next is postman. Postman. 18th number sweeper. Sweeper. Next is carpenter. Number 19 carpenter. 20 number tailor. Tailor. Next 21 number confectioner. Confectioner. Next 22 number lawyer. Lawyer. Next is 23 number artist. Artist. Next is engineer. 24 number engineer. Next 25 number criminal. Criminal. Next 26 number vehicles. Vehicles. Last one 27 number stethoscope. Stethoscope. So these are the hard words for this chapter. Now let me start the exercise with question number 1. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks with appropriate words. In that first one is and blank is the professional who help us in aeroplane. Which professional help us in the aeroplane? So your answer is air hostess. Here the answers are given to you below this blank. We will check later on. So here in the first question your answer is air hostess. Next is a doctor works in a blank. So doctor works in a hospital. Hospital is your answer. Next is a policeman catches a thief and makes him wear blank. So your answer is handcuffs. Policeman catches a thief and makes him wear handcuffs. Next fourth number broom is the equipment of a blank. So broom is the equipment of a sweeper. Your answer is sweeper. Next fifth number blank is a professional who makes creative pictures with brush on paper. So your answer is artist. Artist is a professional who makes creative pictures on the paper with the help of brush. Next is a postman works in a blank. So a postman works in a post office. Your answer is post office. Seventh number blank is celebrated as Children's Day. So your answer is 14th November. As we had seen 14th November we are celebrating as the Children's Day in the remembrance of the birthday of Sri Jawaharlal Nehru. So here your answer is 14th November. So here the answer for all the blanks are given to you. You can check your answer from here. Air hostess, hospital, handcuffs, sweeper, artist, post office and 14th November. Now next question is write true or false. In that first one is birth and death record is available in school. So your answer is false. It is not available in school. There is one office which is known as the General Register Office, in which the birth and death record of everyone is available. So here your answer is false. Next one is second number. A driver is a professional who repairs our vehicles like scooter and motorcycle. So here your answer is false, that professional is known as the mechanic. He repairs vehicles like scooter and motorcycles, not a driver. So here your answer is false. Next is a driver drives a bus. So your answer is true. Fourth number, chalk, duster and books are the tools of a teacher. Again true, your answer is true. Fifth number, stethoscope is an equipment used to listen the heartbeat and breathing. So your answer is true. Doctor uses stethoscope to hear or to listen the heartbeats and breathing of the patient. Next, sixth number, pliers and wrenches are the equipment of a conductor. Here your answer is false. Plier, that means a equipment which is used to cut the wires, and wrenches is used to fix the nut bolts. So these are the equipments used by a mechanic. So here your answer is false. Next is the birthday of Sri Jawaharlal Nehru is celebrated as Children's Day. So here your answer is true. We are celebrating Children's Day as a birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru. So here your second number question gets over. Now next is question number 3. Match the following. In that first one, in column A, different professionals' name is given to you, and in column B, what they are doing is given to you or their work is given to you. The first one that is teacher. So teacher teaches us. So here with the first number your answer is number 4. Next is doctor. So doctor treat patient. So here your answer is number 1. Next is policeman. So policemen protect us from the thieves and all. So here your answer is number 5. Next is conductor. So conductor issues bus tickets. So here your answer is number 2, issues bus tickets. Last one, fifth one is engineer. So engineer builds houses. Civil engineers are building the houses, and the mason is a worker who is working in this process or who helps to build the houses. So these are the answers for this matching. Here also the answers are given to you. Next one, second number. Here in the column A, different name of the professionals are given to you, and in column B, their workplace is given to you. We have to match these professionals according to their workplace. The first one is policeman. So policeman works at police station. So here your answer is number 5. Next is teacher. So teacher works at school. So here your answer is number 1. Next one is postman. So postman works in a post office. So here your answer is number 4, post office. Next is doctor. So doctor works in hospital. So here your answer is number 2. Last one is talati. So talati works in a gram panchayat. So here your answer is number 3. Talati is a person who resolves or who settles the small matters in the village. And gram panchayat is a kind of governors or a one committee who run the self-governors at the lower level, at the village level. Whatever the matters are there in the level, in the village, so one committee is there who is known as the gram panchayat. So the members of this gram panchayat resolve that matter of the village, and talati work for this. So this is the answer for this matching. Here the answers are given to you. So here our question number 3 gets over. Next is question number 4. Choose the correct option. That first one is, which of the following professionals works in the post office? Who is work in the post office? The options are given to you, that is teacher, postman, doctor and gram sevak. Gram sevak is a person who is employed for the development of the village, and it works at the village level, and he advises also to the different members of the village or gram panchayat. So here your answer is option B, postman. Postman works in the post office. So here your answer is option B. Next is, which of the following professionals work on the border? Who works on the border? So here the options are policeman, conductor, soldier and talati. So your answer is option C, that means soldier. Soldier works on the border. Next is third number, which among the following professionals use chalk, duster and books as his or her tools? Whose professionals have such kind of tools like chalk, duster and books? The options are doctor, postman, peon or teacher. So here your answer is option D, teacher. Teacher uses chalk, duster and book. Next, fourth number, which of the following professionals gives judgments to the victims? Victim, that means who face the problem. So who give the judgment to this victim? The options are gram sevak, judge, talati or policeman. So here your answer is option B, that is judge. Judge give the judgment to the victim. Next, fifth number, which of the following professionals works in the gram panchayat? The options are teacher, postman, driver or talati. So here your answer is option D, that is talati. Talati works in the gram panchayat. So here our question number 4, that is choose the correct option, gets over. Next is question number 5. How are the following professionals useful? This question can be asked in 1 marks question answer. And the earlier exercise, that is fill in the blanks, true, false and MCQ, that each one can be asked as the alternative. That means filling the blanks can also be asked in MCQ, and MCQ can be asked in the fill in the blanks. So prepare according to that. Question number 5 is, how are these professionals useful? This can be asked in 1 marks question answer, or with 2. 2 together can be asked for 2 marks also. That what is the function or what is the work of policeman and judge. Then after in 1 marks it can be asked that what is the work of sweeper. So you have to prepare this according to that. The first one is policeman. So policemen maintain law and order in a region. In their own region they are maintaining law and order, and they protect people and their belongings. They protect us from the thieves, and they also protect our belongings, that means our goods. They look after that no mischiefs are happen in their region. Next is judge. So judge hears the play of people and gives them proper judgment. Judge hear the play, that means arguments of people, and he also gives them proper judgment. He gives them justice. Next is third number, sweeper. So sweeper sweeps school, office, roads and streets. They are cleaning our surroundings. Next is doctor. So doctor treats patients and examine them and give them proper treatment. Next is teacher. So teacher teaches children. So these are the functions of different professionals, or how these different professionals are useful to us. So here our chapter number 6 gets over. In the next video we will see our next chapter, chapter number 7. This all exercise and the textbook solution also. So textbook solution you have to write in your textbook, and these 5 questions and hard words you have to write in your notebook. Thank you.